Namaste Gurukulians, how are you dear students? Hope you will be fit and fine. Myself Subhas. Today we will study class 12th accountancy. As you know that chapter 4th retirement and death of a partner is going on, so we will continue the same chapter. In first video lecture we have discussed calculation of new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. We solve numericals, so we will continue the same because few numericals are left relating to calculation of new ratio and gaining ratio. So up to 13 we have completed, up to 12 we will start from illustration 13. See, open your book. This is DK Goel book, page number 5.7, and this is illustration 13. There are four partners, A, B, C and D, in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:1:4. 3:1:4. A decided to retire from the firm. A retires, and his share is acquired by B and C in the ratio of 3:2. Only B and C acquires in 3:2. It means D will not acquire. D share will be same as old one. Calculate new ratio and gaining ratio. So first calculate share gained by B and C. B gains. A share is 3/5, 6, 10. B gains and C gains. A share is 3/10. So this share 3/10 is acquired by B and C in 3:2. So B will gain A share into 3/5 and C gain into 2/5. So that is 9/50 and 6/50. So this is the gaining ratio between B and C, that is 3:296 or 3:2. It is also given. Now calculate B's new share. B's old share is 2/10 plus gained by him 9/50. LCM 50. So 5 into 2, 10 plus 9. 19/50. C's new share. C's old share is 1/10 plus gained by him 6/50. LCM 50. So 5 plus 6. 11/50. And D share is the same as old share. That is 4/10. You can write 4/10, 20/50. Multiply both sides by 5. 4 into 5, 20, 10 into 5, 50. So the new ratio will be 19, 11, 20. So gaining ratio between B and C is 3:2 and new ratio among B, C and D is 19, 11, 20. Okay. Question number 14, different cases are given. So we have discussed all such cases earlier, so you will do this question yourself. Now question number 15, illustration. See, illustration 15. A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 4:3:2. A, B, C, 4:3:2. A retires from the firm, first partner, and it is decided that the profit sharing ratio between B and C will be same as existing between A and B। मतलब ये डिसाइड हुआ कि फ्यूचर में B और C की जो रेशियो होगी वो वही होगी जो अब A और B की एग्जिस्टिंग है। A और B की एग्जिस्टिंग 4:3। ओके, कैलकुलेट न्यू रेशियो एंड गेनिंग रेशियो। देखो न्यू रेशियो इज गिवन, क्वेश्चन में गिवन है कि बी और सी की जो न्यू रेशियो होगी वो वही होगी जो ए और बी की एग्जिस्टिंग है, और ए और बी की एग्जिस्टिंग 4:3 है। तो यू आर आस्क्ड टू कैलकुलेट न्यू रेशियो बिटवीन बी एंड सी, दैट इज 4:3। तो न्यू रेशियो बिटवीन बी एंड सी इज 4:3। Now calculate gaining ratio. तो first you are to calculate the profit sharing ratio between A, B and C. A share 4/7, B share 4/9, not 4/7, 4:3:2. So to calculate gaining ratio, apply the formula. Formula is new ratio minus old ratio B is new share, that is 4/7, minus B's old share 3/9, 3 upon total, LCM 63, तो 9 into 4 36, minus 7 into 3 21, 15 upon 63. C's new share, old share is new share is 3/7, minus old share is 2/9, 63, तो 9 into 3 27, minus 7 into 2 14, 13:63. So the gaining ratio between B and C is 15:13. Okay, in this way you will calculate new ratio. Now topic is given, distinction between gaining ratio and sacrificing ratio we have already discussed. Now next topic is accounting treatment of goodwill. Accounting treatment of goodwill. At the time of retirement of a partner, the goodwill of the firm is to be calculated. We will calculate goodwill as in chapter 2 we have discussed 4 methods. So by any of the above 4 methods we will calculate goodwill. Then we will calculate the retiring partner's share in goodwill. And entry, journal entry for goodwill at the time of retirement is remaining. You can write continuing partner. Remaining का मतलब एक पार्टनर रिटायर होने के बाद जितने बचे हैं, such partners are called as remaining partners. Capital account debit to retiring partner capital account. दिस एंट्री वी विल रिकॉर्ड एट द टाइम ऑफ रिटायरमेंट। पहले आप टोटल गुडविल कैलकुलेट करो, उसमें रिटायरिंग पार्टनर का शेयर कैलकुलेट करो, उस शेयर से रिटायरिंग पार्टनर को क्रेडिट कर दो, जो बचे पार्टनर है रिमेनिंग उनको डेबिट कर दो गेनिंग रेशियो में। रिमेनिंग पार्टनर विल आल्सो बी डेबिटेड इन गेनिंग रेशियो। ओके, इफ गुडविल इज ऑलरेडी अपीयरिंग इन बुक्स, आपको बैलेंस शीट गिवन है, उसमें असेट साइड में गुडविल है, तो यू विल राइट ऑफ द गुडविल, और आप उस गुडविल को ऑल पार्टनर्स में डिवाइड करेंगे इंक्लूडिंग रिटायरिंग पार्टनर। एंट्री विल बी ऑल पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू गुडविल एंड ऑल पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट विल बी डेबिटेड इन ओल्ड रेशियो। इफ आफ्टर द रिटायरमेंट ऑफ ए पार्टनर द फर्म अर्न्स प्रॉफिट, then this profit will be distributed between new partners. Old partner will not get any share after his retirement in profits. Then entry for distribution of such profits will be profit and loss appropriation account debit to continuing partners capital account in new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so we will solve some more numericals. See. This is illustration number 16. PQR are equal partners in a firm. PQR equal means 1, 1, 1. R retires, third partner. And the goodwill of the firm is valued at 3,60,000. This is the goodwill of the firm. No goodwill account appears as yet in the books of the firm. मतलब goodwill already appearing नहीं है. P and Q agree to share future profits in 3:2. P and Q. This is old ratio equal and 3:2 is the new ratio. पास नेसेसरी जर्नल एंट्री फॉर गुडविल। तो एंट्री फॉर गुडविल इज रिमेनिंग पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू रिटायरिंग पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट एंड रिमेनिंग पार्टनर्स आर डेबिटेड इन गेनिंग रेशियो। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कैलकुलेट गेनिंग रेशियो। फॉर्मूला इज न्यू रेशियो माइनस ओल्ड रेशियो। P new share 3/5 minus old share 1/3, LCM 15, 9 minus 5, तो 4/15. Q's new share, no, not new share is given, gaining. Q gains new share 2/5 is minus old share 1/3. 15, तो 3 into 2 6 minus 5, 1/15. Okay. तो goodwill of the firm is 3,60,000. Calculate retiring partner R से 3,60,000 into R share is 1/3, 1,20,000. And entry for goodwill will be debit the continuing partner. Continuing partners are P and Q. So P's capital account debit Q's capital account debit to retiring partner. Retiring partner is R. So to R's capital account. तो credit R's capital account by his share in goodwill. R share in goodwill is 1,20,000. And continuing partner will be debited in gaining ratio, which is 4:1. We have calculated 4:1. So you will calculate these share 4/15 and 1/15 in total goodwill, that is 360. So P share will be 3,60,000 into 4/15 and Q share will be 360 into 1/15. To calculate, this will be 24,000 and it is 4 times 96,000. So you will debit P's capital account by 96,000 and Q's capital by 24,000. Write the narration. Adjustment for goodwill. On R's retirement. Adjustment for goodwill on R's retirement. So you will pass the entry, debit the continuing partner and credit the retiring partner. We will solve one more question. If goodwill is already appearing in books, so write off in all ratio. Entry will be all partners capital account debit to goodwill. So in illustration 7, it is given goodwill already appearing in books, ABC 3 partners. So write off all goodwill, that is 2,40,000. Entries ABC debit to goodwill. At the time of B's retirement, goodwill is 6 lakh. So you will pass entry like we have done in illustration number 16. Okay, now see question number 18, illustration 18. XYZ are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:3:5. XYZ 2:3:5. Goodwill is appearing in their books at rupees 6 lakh. So write off in all ratio. Entry will be X capital account debit, Y is capital account debit, Z's capital account debit to goodwill. So goodwill is 6 lakh. तो डेबिट XYZ in 2:3:5. तो 10 से डिवाइड करें 60,000 into 2 120, 60,000 into 3 180 and 60,000 into 5 3 lakh. Write the narration. Goodwill already appearing written off in old ratio. Now X retires, first partner, and on the day of X retirement, goodwill is valued at 4,50,000. Now goodwill is 4,50,000 at the time of X retirement. Y and Z decided to share profits equally. This is old ratio, this is new ratio. To pass the necessary journal entries. So first calculate gaining ratio. Formula is new ratio minus old ratio. Y y share will be new share 1/2 minus old share 3/10. LCM 10, तो 5 minus 3, that is 2/10. Z 1/2 old new share minus old share is 5/10. 10, so 5 minus 5, 0. It means only y gains. तो गेनिंग रेशो बिटवीन y एंड z इज 1:0. एक ही पार्टनर गेन करता है. तो एंट्री फॉर गुडविल ऑन एक्स रिटायरमेंट विल बी रिमेनिंग पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू रिटायरिंग पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. और जो रिमेनिंग पार्टनर है उनमें सिर्फ y ही गेन कर रहा है, तो y को ही डेबिट करेंगे, z को डेबिट नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि z का जो ओल्ड शेयर था 5/10 मीन्स 1/2, न्यू भी 1/2, तो वो गेन ही नहीं कर रहा, तो उसको हम डेबिट नहीं करेंगे. तो एंट्री फॉर गुडविल विल बी वाइज कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू रिटायरिंग पार्टनर इज x, टू x कैपिटल अकाउंट. x कैपिटल अकाउंट विल बी क्रेडिटेड इन हिज शेयर इन गुडविल. देखो गुडविल है 4,50,000 और उसमें x का शेयर है 2/10, तो 5,90,000. In the same way you will debit the y's capital account. Total goodwill 4,50,000 into 2/10, that is also 90,000. तो write the narration. Adjustment for goodwill on X retirement. Okay. So today you are to solve the illustrations I have done up to 18. So question number 19, 20 all are same. So you will complete up to 20. If any problem arises, there is any doubt, तो you can ask in जो आपकी क्लासेस होती हैं डाउट क्लासेस में, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, यू कैन आस्क योर प्रॉब्लम्स इन डाउट क्लासेस और थ्रू व्हाट्सएप ऑल्सो यू कैन आस्क. टिल देन, गुड बाय, हैव ए नाइस डे.